What your biggest turn off in a guy?
Green arm.
When you not smell good.
Stinking mouth. Stinking mouth.
That's it.
You smell?
Stinking mouth.
You sure my mouth is stinking? We just want to know.
Frozy thing about them. It frozy, them mouth, it turned me off completely. I when they have money, I when they have looks, it turned me off completely.
What's up YouTube? You know it's your boy Ramai back with another video for you people. And today you know we're in the art of Santa Cruz. You don't know when I play we come out to find the hottest girl them. We here say the hot girl in there Santa. You don't know so me and my nigga iOS boss out there again for them. You don't know so today we are gonna ask them people what is your biggest turn off in a guy. You see me? After we ask what your biggest turn off in a guy people, we ask how long before you give it up. You see me? So yeah, they out here in Santa Cruz today. We are going to find the girl and me and iOS same way back at it.
Yeah people, iOS out here and me just say yo, like, subscribe, comment and share, understand, quick video out here at Santa Cruz. You see me? Outside.
Yeah YouTube, we back at it again, Santa Cruz style. And we here with
My name is Aryan.
Aryan. You don't know, short and nice. You don't know, we love Aryan. Alright, so the question of the day is Aryan, what's your biggest turn off in a guy?
Him not have no ambition and then just dunk some bossy and hype and have nothing.
Really, done some bossy and hype, no ambition. You see me? Yeah, that's a good thing to turn off a girl. So the next question is, how long before you give it up?
What up? When you
Before you give up the cat. Before she give up the cat.
well, some people, them boy are disgusting. Sometimes you get it wrong, somebody ain't not even know. It all depends on the person we are talking to.
So something you get wrong person you don't know. So why am I wrong person? Oh, you may not be the wrong.
Because him come like shit.
See, well, we're not asking that one. Alright, just tell me your Instagram.
Oh, it's really weird. Supreme Hunches _17. Supreme _Hunches _17.
Alright, people, you hear that? Go follow her. You hear she give you good content. And she look good. What's your name?
Candy.
Candy. You ever say the man in the ear that people? Candy. Wanna know what's your biggest turn off in a guy?
When you not smell good.
So,
me right off.
next question. How long before you give it up?
Sir. a year.
A year people, a year that don't willing to wait a year for Candy. Good people.
Yeah.
So, Candy, me want to tell people my Instagram.
Yeah, my name Candy Couture for Instagram. Follow my business page, Candy Couture. I sell crop tops and slippers. I support small business. Nice crop tops and slippers and handbag.
Alright people, you hear that? When you see snake here.
Back with it again right now with the Santa Cruz. What's your name, my friend?
Shamoy.
Huh?
Shamoy.
So the question of the day is, what your biggest turn off in a guy?
Green arm.
What?
Green arm.
Green arm. You sure my arm is green though?
Yeah, I'm not green.
Oh, I want to make sure she said green arm. She look for me and we want to make sure my arm green. Alright, so what kind of man you like?
Tall guy.
Tall, like me.
Huh? Yeah.
Alright, so I that people.
You don't know, see Santa Cruz with them with back with the next epic video. And we're there with
Brianna.
Rihanna, you don't know, see how. When they say with Rihanna sang them, Umbrella, Ella, listen bro. Hear me and say, Rihanna, what is your biggest turn off in a guy?
You smell?
Smell. I want to go on down a Santa people. I be a smell. Man, you smell good down here. I want to go on people. Hear me and say, man. Rihanna, next question. How long you take to give it up?
Depends on his personality.
Depends on his personality. Oh, my personality stay.
Very charming.
Very charming. Oh my God. So yo, people don't know how that going. Charming man, them get it kitty now all way. Me never go tell them because I'm very charming. No.
Very, very.
Alright, people say, yo, Rihanna, you want to tell me your Instagram?
Who is Rihanna anyway?
Who is Rihanna anyway? But watching Rihanna is somebody to me.
And we're here with
Crystal.
Crystal. So Crystal, the question of the day we have here is, what's your biggest turn off in a guy?
Stinking mouth.
Stinking mouth?
Yeah.
You sure my mouth is stinking? We just want to know, yo, people like the Santa Cruz man, they mouth think or something, you know. Me don't know why, but how much girl tell you that already? Me don't know, but we have one more question. How long before you give it up?
How long?
Yeah.
So tell me give it up.
No?
So tell me give it up.
You not give it up?
No.
So you still have it?
Yeah.
So who you argue?
Who may I give me future husband?
She tell me lies, so tell me the truth now. Tell me the truth now. How long before you give it up?
Me not tell no lie.
How long before you give it up?
Me not. Me still a virgin.
How old you be?
How old me be? Me just 17.
Just 17.
Yeah.
And you not give it up yet?
Me give it up.
People don't believe that. Drop a comment right now if you believe that. People, she not tell you how long she take to give it up. I that way I cut it this, alright?
And we're there with
Sachet.
Sashay.
Aniska.
Aniska, you don't know you got the hat. What you know? And the question of the day is, what's your biggest turn off in a guy?
Frozy thing about them, it frozy, their mouth, their arm, it turned me off completely. And when they have money, and when they have looks, it turned me off completely.
Alright, and the year people, be that way you get a Santana and we ask.
Sachet. They're hygiene and them not for too much. Them not for chat too much.
Man, you only can chat so. One more time everyone me chat too much?
No, you're good.
Silence. Alright. And the next question is, Sashay and Anishka. How long before you give it up? No. Good.
Well, it all depends, trust me. It all depends. It can be, trust me, it all depends.
Can be all a day, don't?
Well, all depends.
Alright.
You, we all big people, it left up to you, trust me.
Alright. Me like oh Sashay said that, you understand? Because you don't know I vibe of the person where you get and you don't know how my thing go. Charming and hot and out here. What you know? Sashay. Anishka.
As when my G say, all depends. If our first night we meet and the first night we go out, we can have sex. It depends upon the type of vibes with a person. My person when me there with now, the first night me go out, the first night we straight. And we still did a couple years and we still going.
People didn't hear that the first night they out here with Sashay, Anishka. I'm telling you, good people them. We out here.
Back at the YouTube, Santa Cruz. What's your name first?
Kenisha. Daedry.
Huh?
Daedry.
Deji shy people. Alright, so the question of the day is, what's your biggest turn off in a guy?
Somebody with annoying.
Somebody with annoying.
Yes. I seen if you make the point that you like the person, not every time you talk to the person you come with the same thing. Right, just build a vibe, talk about something else, talk about random stuff.
Yeah, something new.
You understand, make she laugh. You tell her say you like her and whatever. Don't come every time you say like when she see you, she go say Lord Jesus, might come with the same thing again. You understand?
Sure.
You state your point, leave it at that, make things flow.
Alright, so we have the shy one now. What you say your biggest turn off is?
If you possessive.
If you what?
Possessive. Possessive, like constantly where you there, why you there, who you there with, me not like that.
You know when a man own you up like say them like I feel him.
Yeah, like me can't go nowhere unless him know.
Yeah.
No.
Insecure. Probably actually look too good, my friend.
I like that. No.
We have one more question for you. So the another question is, how long before you make a guy wait? How long before you give it up?
Oh Lord. Come for say now.
Not even know when the time is right. You will eventually know when the time is. There's no time frame. Some people, you meet them this week, next week, unlike me, you have to hold out, me have to, you know?
Yeah.
Me have to get to know you a bit more. And blood test, have to do, hello? You have to do a blood test. Right, and I come spoil up my nice life. Not at all.
Alright. So we have the shy one now, you know. What you say here, how long you have to wait?
It depends.
Huh?
Like, based on the person and how you feel and so
So
forth.
if you have a good vibes and you know.
It means say if you have a good vibe right away. No.
But man, say you know I'm in see your face one.
No.
No. Alright, that.
Back again YouTube with the next YouTube video. At Banga, you don't know I go already. I want to hear with KK and KK. You don't know I asked the question of the day, you know. And the question of the day is, what is your biggest turn off in a guy?
Me hate when them always try to blame things on you or I don't even know what to say.
Alright, and then she said KK. Want to ask your next question, you know. And that question is, how long you take to give it up?
Maybe 5 months, I don't know, or less.
5 months, yo, people. 5 months, no line, that's 4 weeks in a month, you know. Alright, watch out, KK. Thank you, here. Because we know it's 5 months. Alright.
Alright, so we're there same way YouTube with Brianna, spicy Brianna. So the question of the day is spicy Brianna. What is your biggest turn off in a guy?
Stinking mouth.
What?
Stinking mouth.
Stinking mouth?
Yeah.
Alright, stinking mouth, people, you know that?
Yeah, your mouth can't stink and you can't come. No, sir, that don't right.
If your mouth stink, you can't go and talk to a nice girl like spicy Brianna. That not right.
That not right.
You see me? Get to the mouth, right? So the next question is spicy Brianna. How long before you give it up?
1 year. Oh! 1 year.
1 year?
Yeah.
So why you think 1 year?
You must wait. So I have to see if you can wait and hold out.
So if you can't wait 1 year, where are you?
You go about the business.
Spicy Brianna too spicy. I'm not feel say a true she talking.
A true, yeah, talk.
A true?
Yeah.
So 1 year that make me wait for.
Yeah, I'm more. Oh!
Alright, I eat that thanks here, spicy Brianna.
No problem.
She well spicy. Why your Instagram?
Sagittarius Queen Riri.
Huh?
Sagittarius underscore Queen underscore Riri underscore.
And alright, follow spicy Brianna, you know.
Here's the people, subscribe to Rama's life, you know. Remember, you know, do it, you know. See it?
Yeah? Oh,
What's your name?
Leonique.
Pardon me?
Leonique.
Leonique. Alright, Leonique. What is your biggest turn off in a guy?
When I'm lack intelligence.
When they lack intelligence, people, you understand? The dunce man, them mo. Hear me and say, Mama, Leonique, you're so. Me don't even know if it tell us as me tell you from the beginning of the video. We have a next question for you, and that question is, how long you take to give it up?
Depends, like, you know, I'm not sure. I'm not know.
You're not sure, right?
Oh, them move towards me, move with me.
Alright, so watch you know. So pour me bucket today, and everything will go good and smooth, and me I did it right and thing. You know, say, me carry got my black and thing. Everything would go through.
Not for the first time, like.
Alright, but second time.
Maybe.
And how long you think said that would have be like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
1 month time because I'm not so quick to give it up, so.
Oh, you know, quick to give it up. So it sound like say, yeah.
Sure, because I don't want me give you a cut left me.
Oh, true. We understand. Alright, Leonique, you want to tell me Instagram?
Unruly Leo done. Unruly underscore Leo dot done.
Alright, people.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what are your biggest turn off in a guy?
I don't like hype boy.
What?
Hype boy.
Hype. So only that?
How am I not date ugly boy? Sorry. No, I'm not date ugly boys.
What you call ugly?
Well, if him black.
In blacks, you know date black people.
No.
Why? You're racist?
No.
Alright, so we have one more question for you. How long before you give it up?
About a month or longer than that, I think.
About a month or longer than that?
Yeah.
So you're that do a one night stand?
No.
Alright, I hate that people. Give me a name, and I'll give you a name.
No.
Give me a spin though, give me a spin. My name's Warren.
We're here with
Anisha.
Anisha, and we're here with
Kadeen.
Kadeen. Yeah. What is your biggest turn off in a guy, Anisha?
Well, when they not smell good.
You don't hear that, people? So me right now, me feel. But watch out now. People, we're here with Kadeen now, you know. But watch out now. Kadeen.
Yeah.
What is your biggest turn off in a guy?
When they wear them pants way down under them bottom.
People, you know, see how them are describe me wicked. But watch out now, people. We have our next question for them. The next question is Kadeen. Cause Anisha don't say, you know, you give me an easy go out and thing. But watch out now. Kadeen. How long you take to give it up?
Give
It up, it.
All depends.
On the person?
Yeah, all depends on the person.
Alright, so like say, me and you just start now.
No, you don't get it so easy.
No, me know say me not get so easy, but watch you know, me put in a couple work and me got Burger King couple time and KFC and then thing there. And me carry got supermarket couple time for 3-4 weeks.
If you find it interested.
If I'm interested, but me well interested as you can see right now, though.
Yes.
Back to Anisha now, when I say Anisha, how long you take to give it up?
40 days.
40 days. Oh, 40 days. Let me check up that in my head, people. 31. Oh, 1 month and 1 week that in my people. Yo, watching her, she mats up with them. She right there, so she mats up with them.
All depends. If you do everything good within the 40 days there, or maybe longer too.
People, you know say we do everything good and we never bad. But watch you, thank you, Anisha. You want to tell them your Instagram, you want to give them a WhatsApp?
No, that's good.
Instagram?
No, nothing.
Alright, Instagram?
No, not Instagram.
Alright. Yeah, me say people, we out here. What you say, Wagner?
All of them want to go on MoneyGram.
I am the one, the way your son don't need
MoneyGram!
What's your name, my friend?
Apple.
What's your name?
And you can call me Rinzi.
What?
Rinzi.
Alright, we have Apple and Renzi right now, so I gotta ask the question of the day. So the question of the day is, what's your biggest turn off in a guy?
Alright, so number one, I feel like them nowadays young niggas, yeah, they not know manners.
Yeah.
Disrespect. I can't. Me not like when man disrespect woman. Not like as it made us big turn off. Big turn off. And the styling thing, you would want nobody style your mother, your daughter.
No, so we have to have respect.
Yeah.
Respect. So respect for you. Alright, so your biggest.
Okay, so my biggest turn off for a guy is his appearance, the way how he dressed. Like, the first thing a girl see is your appearance, and then if your appearance isn't right, it's going to totally turn her off. So guys out there, try look your best when you come forward, because the cats in them are pre that.
Cats in them are pre that, you have to look good.
Yamed, man.
No, Yamed, because we don't want a Yamed neither, no?
No, sir.
Alright. What's your name?
Trish.
Trish! Yeah, man, say Trish. What's your biggest turn off in a guy?
That's my biggest turn off on a guy. Having pubic hair and them something there.
having pubic hair, people. Like, yo, that thing they no Trish no like them sitting there, man. Go get some near or something, bro. Alright, hear me I say no, bro. Next question. Trish. How long like a man have to wait for you give it up?
How long you have to wait? As long as it takes. If it's not worth it, he ain't gonna get it.
Oh, so like I'll say, oh, like say if he not worth it, he not gonna get it. So you know, depend on the vibe when give like the in personality post. Him is a very nice person. Like it no matter, you not give it up.
Not worth it, he won't get it.
Oh, so yeah, you know some commitment thing, like some celibate thing, don't? Something like that, yo, Trish, you're nice, you know me. I tell you still, yo, Trish, what's your Instagram? Tell me Instagram now.
Shard_girl_Trish.
Back at it, YouTube. You know you're out at Santa Cruz, same way till night. What's your name, my friend?
Angel.
Huh?
Angel.
She look like an angel, people. She really do. She look like an angel. So the question of the day is, why your biggest turn off in a guy?
When they mean.
Huh?
When they mean.
When you not spend the money on her. You see me? You have to spend your money.
Like empty promises.
And empty promises. Alright? So we have one more question for you. You're nice and we love your smile and all of that. So the next question is, how long before you give it up?
If the energy right, me give it up, yes?
The energy right here, we give it up?
Yeah.
What kind of energy you like? Tell me.
Many ways.
Many energy. See, you just want. Missy, she give me a deadly eye in the people. She say energy have to good, and that's it. She have to go here. Where name again?
Angel.
Angel.
But what you know, we here with
Alicia.
Alicia Keys, you don't know it go. Hear me say, people. Alicia, what is your biggest turn off in a guy?
The way he approaches me, like.
Oh shit, like the way he approaches you. So we me approach you a while ago and you look nice and so I approach you nice. You like that, don't?
That was okay.
Alright, you see people she like, oh man like me approach her. You may say next question Alicia Keys right now, you know. You may say Alicia, how long a man have to wait before he give it up?
Like about a couple months, well, like depends on when come with it.
Yeah, like how him deal with you, like how him, like how you say you like them approach and thing, like in personality and thing. If me come through one day and you like my personality full blowing and thing, all one day don't?
No, you still have to wait.
Still have to wait all 1 week, don't?
No, more than that. You have
2 weeks.
You have to wait.
3 weeks.
Wait your turn.
A month.
Wait your turn. You can go all 2 months.
Alright, alright. You want to tell me Instagram?
Young official, that is YVNG_official.
Back at it, YouTube, Santa Cruz style, same way. And we're here with Miss Feisty. What's your name, my friend? Sedira. She just give me a fierce look when me look on her. Alright, so the question of the day is, or the night, no people. The question of the night is, why your biggest turn off in a guy?
How they look, like how they dress, or how they carry themselves.
Yeah, all of that.
And depends on how them smell and stuff like that.
So them have to smell good. You don't have to smell good, you don't have to look good. And what else? Oh, them dress, you don't have to dress good. So the next question is, how long before you give it up?
I mean, if you talk for like probably 1 month or so. Yeah.
Probably a month.
Yeah.
Alright, so a month. She say a month. You sure? No quick on that?
No, like 1 month.
Probably a day. You want to try a day?
No.
2 days?
Too quick.
Alright, that people are out. You don't know.
Back again, YouTube with a big woman right here saying, we are telling us, say, yo, watch out now. She name?
Lisa.
Lisa. What is your biggest turn off in a guy?
Then scent.
Here, yo, listen up again, Lisa. We have a next question. And how long before you give it up?
How long?
Yes. How long before I give it up?
Years.
People don't hear that. Years. Santa Cruz man, them hot.
Alright, people that you don't know they're on the grind of Santa. It was a good look to the people. Me love Santa. Well supportive. We enjoy. I want to thank everybody who subscribe to Rama Life before me go. Yeah, me have a nigga out there right now. Say name again.
Yeah, big up on yourself, you know. This is Ramai's, and big up yourself, you know, my boss. I don't know, this is Jevi Ent. Jevi E-N-T, Jevi Entertainment. I don't know. It was a good look, people. Big up. Subscribe. Thanks for your support. Subscribe to my channel as well.
Yeah, subscribe to Jevi E-N-T. I don't know. Oh, boss, we all people, I hate that. No flow.
Look, I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it.